Smart glass is a wearable piece of technology that can be embedded into eyeglasses, helmets, or other objects to give the person wearing it access to digital data and information. But it's way more than that. Apple and Facebook, the technology giants, are competing to put their brand on your face. That's why we have compiled today's video of an exciting comparison between Apple glasses and Facebook glasses. If you find it useful, we will value your thumbs up and subscription to our channel, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you are alerted to all of our releases. Okay, let's start looking for the perfect glasses. Apple glasses. Apple glasses rumors surrounding Apple's AR glasses have been circulating throughout the tech world for years. However, despite such speculation spanning over a period that feels like a lifetime, it seems that we might be finally on the cusp of Apple's next big product release. A recent leak has revealed the most in-depth look to date: Apple's potential wearable AR device. Although the majority of leads should be taken with a pinch of salt in current times, these have come from a highly respected and credible source, so here's what we know so far. Apple's AR glasses will be known simply as Apple Glass, which is a rather fitting title given the Apple Watch. However, the name is incredibly reminiscent of Google Glass, which was Google's attempt at a similar device. Apple Glass is set to be the final name for the glasses. However, I wouldn't put it past Apple to change the label last minute. Eyeglass would be mainly in line. The brand might make more sense when we look at how the glasses will operate, but we'll get to that later in the video. Design-wise, Apple glasses are expected to be as sleek and stylish as any other offering from the tech giant. Although Leap prototypes look very much like a standard pair of glasses, friendly and approachable as opposed to overly futuristic in an attempt to appeal to the masses, prototypes are being manufactured in black and white plastic. Although this material is likely to be swapped out for something more premium such as aluminum or some sort of composite as we near closer towards production. It's also possible that Apple will offer multiple frame materials for buyers to choose from, similar to what is being provided with the Apple Watch in the form of different straps. All of the house tech will fit seamlessly into the frames of Apple's glass, with the most notable being the LiDAR sensor, which will sit atop the right-hand side of the glasses. Those of you who are not familiar with LiDAR, or light detection and ranging, is a popular remote sensing method used to measure an object's exact distance on the Earth's surface. Gives us a great look at what we can expect to find inside the first gen of Apple. US advanced LiDAR technology will make using Apple's glass or briefs with no need to scan your environment before placing objects, measuring, or virtually visualizing, making for seamless interactions between the wearer and their surroundings. LiDAR will also take care of things like reading hand gestures and translating QR codes into three-dimensional images. On the latest iPad Pro, the LiDAR scanner and pair of cameras work hand in hand. However, Apple Glass is not expected to house any camera or photographic features. The general thinking behind this is that people will talk face-to-face with someone wearing a face-mounted camera that may or may not be recording. This is something that I can certainly relate to. However, I can't help but imagine how cool it would be to have an eye-level camera that can record what you see whenever you please. Charging of the batteries of the Apple glasses will take through the use of the designated charging stand or through the use of a wireless charging case. Both would be suitable companions for the glasses. Moreover, seeing as the first models are expected to have battery life on the shorter side, having a convenient charging dock or carry case would be a much welcomed addition in regards to audio. Apple Glass is not expected to have any built-in speakers. Recent developments that have AirPod Pros suggest that their converted wireless in-ear headphones will instead be pushed as part of the experience. This might seem as if Apple is doing all they can to snag an extra product sale. However, including any kind of built-in headphones will most definitely ruin the everyday wearable design. Now getting to the important bits, you might be wondering how the glasses are going to function, right? The majority of data processing is set to take place on a part that iPhone, which will reduce the physical footprint of the glasses and significantly reduce their costs. Overall, to facilitate this, we're expected to see some sort of short-range Wi-Fi capability to be built into the iPhone 12 and future iPhones after that. Older devices will likely be supported as well, but are predicted to offer limited capabilities or reduce performance as technology improves over time. We may eventually see all processing occur independently within the classes, but this will probably take a few versions as it did with the Apple Watch. Now, I'm sure that you're all wondering how much a pair of these Apple glasses are going to cost, so let me put you out of your misery and tell you that it's probably a lot less than you might think. The first-gen Apple glasses set to retail at a rather reasonable price of just $499, excluding the price of optional prescription lens. Facebook glasses. The first thing you'll notice about Facebook's new camera glasses is that they are not called Facebook glasses. They are called Ray-Ban Stories. This is because they are made in partnership with Ray-Ban, a cool company that no one hates. If the idea of camera sunglasses seem familiar, perhaps that's because it sounds like Snapchat Spectacles, which launched in 2016. I can only imagine a loving tribute. Facebook has named its camera sunglasses Stories after the other signature product that Facebook/Instagram lifted from Snapchat. The second thing is that these glasses do not stream to Facebook or post directly to your Facebook or Instagram. Instead, they take photos and short videos and send those to a special app on your phone, iOS or Android, that connects to the glasses over Bluetooth. From the app, called View, you can see all the videos and images, and from there, you can do whatever you want with them. Download to your phone's camera roll, upload to Facebook, send over to text or anywhere else through your phone's standard image sharing options. So how does it work? The photos and videos actually look really good considering they're taken from, well, glasses. They have a 5-megapixel camera along with some onboard processing wizardry that does a lot to sharpen and clean up the images. In my experience, the glasses shot decent images in lower light, and image stabilization was solid enough to prevent video from looking too shaky. Videos only last 30 seconds, but there are some basic tools in the View app to string multiple videos together into montages. There are speakers in the arms of the glasses. They're activated by touch, easy to use, and a surprisingly great feature. I went for a stroll listening to an audiobook. The sound quality is perfectly fine for this use, and it was oddly nice to not hassle with AirPods because it's not an in-ear speaker. You can hear some outside noise. I find this actually great for walking around when you do want to be slightly aware of your surroundings, and it's possibly also great for biking. The glasses charge in their case, which is slightly bigger than a normal sunglasses case, but not by that much. They can last for about 6 hours of moderate use before needing to be recharged. But look, I know what you're thinking. Who cares about the audio quality when literally Facebook is making camera glasses? We are doomed. What you care about is privacy, I know. The View app requires a Facebook account to log in, but the content doesn't directly connect to your account. The video and photos are stored locally on your phone, not sent into Facebook servers or the cloud. Basically, if you don't choose to post those photos to Facebook, Facebook can't see them or have anything to do with them, which is probably what you want. Well, if you buy Facebook glasses, I don't really know what you want, but this obscures a bigger picture. Your data and images may be safe from the prying eyes of Mark Zuckerberg, sure, but the real danger here isn't your data. It's the fact that you're walking around wearing barely perceptible spy glasses, taking videos and photos of anyone you want, likely without them noticing. Facebook has anticipated some of these criticisms by not including its name on the product and making sure your content is handled privately. But by removing itself as the chief privacy Babadook, it turned you, the user, into a strolling privacy violation. The sleek Wayfarer frame design means that unlike Apple glasses or the flashy bright yellow Snapchat Spectacles, these look very much like regular sunglasses. The two small black camera lenses in the corners of the frames largely blend in unless you're looking up close, maybe face to face with the person wearing them. In a crowd, it's unlikely people would notice that these are anything other than regular sunnies, which is the whole point of the Ray-Ban collaboration, to make them look like normal, cool sunglasses. To make it clear to bystanders that you're taking a video with your camera glasses, there's a small white LED light in the frame corner that lights up whenever the camera is on. However, the tiny light is far less obvious than Snapchat's version, which had a larger swirling light ring while filming. Although you can't turn off the light of the glasses or through the app, I was able to do this the old-fashioned way. I put a tiny piece of masking tape over the LED light and colored the tape black with a Sharpie. It covered it up perfectly. The Facebook or Ray-Ban Stories glasses come out in 3 models with different lenses, colors options, all at $449 US. So, before you buy your next glasses, keep this video in mind. And remember, if you found value in today's video, we would really appreciate your thumbs up, your subscription, and please don't forget to hit the bell notification. Before we go, we've got a couple of questions for you. First, where are you watching this video from? And what do you think our next video should be about? We'd really appreciate your feedback in the comments below. And thank you for sticking with us until the end. See you next video.